We've been away for nearly 2 weeks now with the Australian 4-wheel drive action crew, and we've faced some of the toughest 4-wheel driving I've ever done in my 80 series. Now, before we went away, I had to make sure that this old girl was going to get us up here, get us through the tough stuff, and get us home. And that's why I've chosen Ryco Filters. The 4-wheel drive service kit from Ryco Filters makes keeping old girls like this out on the roads even easier. This kit here has an air filter, oil and fuel filter ready to go that you can buy off the shelf, throw in your car and get you out on the track sooner. We've just gotten back from a 4-wheel drive action trip, and let me tell you, this trip was seriously demanding. Sydney up to Queensland, Fraser Island, the Glasshouse Mountains and back again. And I needed to choose a filter that I knew that I could put in my cruiser to get me up there and get me back. And who else other than Ryco? Now Ryco have got over 80 years experience in the filter market, and that really shows. I put this filter in before we went away and I've just pulled it out and it's still looking almost new. There's a reason for that. No one knows Aussie tough conditions like us Aussies do. And with Ryco being based in Melbourne for over 80 years, it's really a testament to what they've produced. Well, it's time to chuck this filter back in and get ready for the next adventure.